What's going on, everybody? So today what we're going to do is going to a state park. We're going to Hickory State Park in South Carolina. I've got my 2-year-old and I've got my niece Raya with me. Say hey, Raya.
Hi.
And I'm gonna do this video in a little bit of a different style, kind of a vloggy style. So stay tuned. Alright, we made it. We're about to go to the kiddie park, and she is in action right now. And on the way in here we saw lots of things to do. They've got a skeet range, they've got a bow and arrow, archery, shooting range, and they've got condos here, they've got a hotel right there, they've got a pool, they've got tennis courts, they've got the famous Hickory Knob golf course. So they have got, yes, they have a slide. That's the important thing. And of course it's on Lake Murray. So this is going to be fun, guys. So on top of all the other stuff I just mentioned, they've also got a gift shop and a restaurant right here, right by one of the little kid parks. So I thought that was pretty cool. We're gonna head to the lake now. My kid is running, so she's excited. And let's get to it. Alright, we are going to do a little bit of fishing and mostly just looking here. Here is some of the cabins or condos you can rent here. Definitely an interesting state park. Looks like Raya found some trash. Is that trash? You don't know yet? Okay. We'll find out what that is. So they've got this pretty awesome dock here for, I guess, boats to tie up to. And you could probably launch your kayaks here. I would think I could launch mine here. It's a great little fishing spot if you want to spend the day out here just fishing. Big dock, very big. We're all just hanging out right now, and it's right beside the gift shop and restaurant and all that, so that's pretty cool. There's a little crane over there fishing for something. I haven't seen him get anything yet, but he's waiting. No one likes you. So we're picking up the trash, guys, that Raya found on our way back up from that huge dock right there. Ready to go up top, Annabelle?
What is this?
That's a bug. It's a dead bug now. Let's go. Alright, guys, here is one of their boat ramps. Looks like they've also got their kayak canoe rentals down there. Let's go down there and take a look. Here's the boat ramp, a little bit closer for you guys. Looks like it's 2 ramps here. Along with the dock over here. 2 big docks, just like the one we were just on. They've got a couple of, looks like Perception kayaks, Emotion, a couple of Sun Dolphins, and some canoes for you to rent. I've got those prices I'll mention later on. Such a pretty state park. This is cool. Come on in the house. What you think about it? Is it cool? You Yes, it's locked. They probably do tours inside.
Yeah, but what's the key?
Is that a cool swing?
There's chairs.
Then over Tuesday, I name a chicken. Follow me. This is a cool house.
It's a cool house.
Yep, it's a cool house.
A real cool house, huh? Alright, finish the walk around of the house. That's the house, guys. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we're going to cut this trip a little bit short. We're going to come back and come camping here, I believe. It's about an hour and a half from my house. And it's got an 18-hole golf course on Lake Thurman. I think I said it was Lake Murray earlier, but it is definitely Lake Thurman. It's got the skeet shooting range. It's got the archery range. It's got tennis courts. It's got a basketball court. It's got the gift shop, restaurant. It actually has a hotel on it with lodges along with campsites. So definitely check this place out. Hickory Knob State Park Resort. There's no entry fee if you want to come here for a day trip. I'm going to head back home. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video to the kind of voiceover type of video that I've been doing. Y'all be good one. I'll catch you later.